how to use Microsoft Word to insert signature into our documents. After typing and adjusting your letter, like the sample we'll be using for this illustration, have your signature signed on a white paper, scan and save as a JPEG file on your desktop. After you have scanned and saved, then you move your cursor to the point where you want to insert the signature, which is here. Go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, and choose your desktop. Then you locate and select JPEG signature, which you have already scanned, and then click Insert. Leaving the signature selected, at the Format tab, set the height to 0.7 inch and the width to 1 inch. Then choose the text wrapping option to be behind text, and drag the image into the required position. I can do that by using my mouse or my arrow keys on my keyboard. With this illustration, we have successfully inserted a signed signature into our document.